Imagine this. You have a brilliant idea for a video, but you're camera shy, lack recording equipment, or simply don't have the time for complex video editing. What if you could transform your idea into a hyper-realistic video with a talking avatar, all in a matter of minutes? That's the power of Higgsfield AI. This groundbreaking tool is changing the landscape of video creation, making it accessible to everyone, from seasoned YouTubers to small business owners. With Higgsfield AI, you can create engaging videos with stunning visuals and lifelike avatars, all without ever stepping in front of a camera. Intrigued? I was too. Join me as we explore the ins and outs of Higgsfield AI, and I'll even walk you through creating your first video. Get ready to unlock a world of creative possibilities with this game-changing AI technology. Higgsfield AI is an innovative platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to generate high-quality videos from simple text prompts. Imagine having a team of animators, voiceover artists, and video editors at your fingertips, ready to bring your words to life. That's the magic of Higgsfield AI. But what's fueling its meteoric rise to fame? It's the perfect storm of advanced technology, user-friendly design, and a growing demand for engaging video content. Higgsfield AI empowers anyone, regardless of technical expertise, to create professional-looking videos that captivate audiences. Whether you're a content creator, educator, marketer, or simply someone with a story to tell, Higgsfield AI provides the tools to transform your vision into reality. Higgsfield AI is packed with features designed to streamline and simplify video creation. One of its most impressive capabilities is its text-to-video function. Simply input your script, and the AI works its magic, generating a fully realized video complete with a talking avatar, background music, and even subtitles. Speaking of avatars, Higgsfield AI boasts an extensive library of diverse and customizable characters. From professional presenters to animated characters, you can find the perfect avatar to represent your brand or message. Each avatar comes with a range of voice options, allowing you to fine-tune your video's tone and style. Compared to other AI video generation tools, Higgsfield AI stands out for its realistic lip-syncing, high-quality video output, and ease of use. While some platforms require technical know-how or lengthy rendering times, Higgsfield AI makes video creation fast, intuitive, and accessible to all. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Higgsfield AI is a game-changer for anyone looking to create engaging and professional videos with ease. Ready to unleash your inner filmmaker and bring your creative visions to life? Creating your first video with Higgsfield AI is surprisingly simple, even if you have no prior video editing experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started and guide you through the process. First, visit the Higgsfield AI website and sign up for an account. They usually offer a free trial, a fantastic opportunity so you can test, drive the platform, and explore its features before committing to a subscription. Next, write or upload your script. This is where your creativity shines. Let your imagination run wild. Type in your script directly or upload an existing document from your computer. Remember to keep it concise and engaging to capture your audience's attention. Then, choose your avatar and voice. Browse the diverse avatar library, with options ranging from professional to whimsical, and select the one that best fits your video's style and message. After that, choose a voice that complements your avatar and script, ensuring a cohesive and engaging viewing experience. Now generate a preview. Before finalizing your video, Higgsfield AI generates a preview, allowing you to review the visuals, audio, and timing, ensuring everything aligns with your vision. This is a great opportunity to make any necessary adjustments and fine-tune your video. Finally, download your video. Once you're happy with the preview and confident in your creation, simply hit the download button and choose your preferred video format for optimal sharing. Congratulations! Your first Higgsfield AI video is ready to share with the world. See, creating professional quality videos has never been easier, thanks to the power of Higgsfield AI. To truly put Higgsfield AI to the test and see what it's capable of, I decided to create a short video from start to finish using only the platform. I wanted to make it relevant, so I chose a trending topic: the benefits of meditation for productivity. It seemed like a perfect fit for a short, informative video. So I started by crafting a concise and engaging script, keeping the target audience in mind. I focused on highlighting key points and incorporating a conversational tone to make the content more relatable and easier to digest. Next, I browsed the avatar library, which offered a wide variety of options. I chose a friendly and approachable female character that I felt would resonate well with viewers. Then, I opted for a calm and soothing voice, carefully selecting from the available options to perfectly match the video's topic and create a relaxing viewing experience. After generating a preview of the video and making a few minor tweaks to the timing to ensure a smooth flow, I was honestly amazed and quite impressed by how realistic and professional the final product looked. The entire process from writing the script, selecting the avatar, to generating the video and downloading the final file took less than 30 minutes. Considering the time and effort involved in traditional video creation, with all the equipment and personnel, this felt like lightning speed. I was particularly impressed by the natural-sounding voiceover. It was hard to believe it was AI-generated, and the seamless lip-syncing, which added a layer of realism, which truly brought my script to life in a way I hadn't anticipated. As for the cost, Higgsfield AI offers various subscription plans, catering to different levels of usage, to suit different needs and budgets, making it accessible to a wide range of users. They even have a free trial option, which is a great way to get a feel for the platform and explore its features before committing to a paid subscription. Overall, I found Higgsfield AI to be incredibly user-friendly, even for someone with limited video editing experience, and surprisingly affordable, especially considering the quality of the output. Like any tool, Higgsfield AI has its strengths and weaknesses. It's designed to streamline video creation, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons, examining what it does well and where it falls short. To help you determine if it's the right fit for your video creation needs, we'll break down the key aspects to consider. So first, let's talk about the pros. What makes Higgsfield AI a worthwhile investment? Speed and efficiency. You can create high-quality videos in just minutes, significantly reducing production time, which is way faster than traditional methods. This allows you to focus on other important tasks. Ease of use. There's no need for technical expertise or video editing skills. The platform is designed to be intuitive, making it accessible to pretty much everyone. Anyone can jump in and start creating. It's also cost-effective with affordable subscription plans and even a free trial option, allowing you to test the waters before committing. So it's a budget-friendly choice. You can save money on expensive software and equipment. You get realistic avatars and voices, with a diverse library to choose from for a professional touch. This helps create engaging content. And of course, there are customization options. You can tweak video backgrounds, add subtitles, and adjust the pacing to match your brand. This ensures your videos align with your overall marketing strategy. But there are some cons to consider. It's important to be aware of the limitations. There's limited creative control. While there are customization options, you're still limited to the platform's existing assets and templates. This can restrict your creative vision. There's also the potential for monotony, since using the same avatars and voices repeatedly might lead to a lack of visual variety. This can make your content less engaging over time. And finally, there's a reliance on AI. While the technology is impressive, it might not always perfectly capture nuanced emotions or handle complex scripts. This can be a challenge for more sophisticated projects. Overall, Higgsfield AI offers a really compelling solution for anyone looking to create engaging and professional videos quickly and easily. Weigh the pros and cons carefully to determine if it's the right tool for you. Ready to take your Higgsfield AI videos to the next level? Here are a few expert tips and tricks to maximize your impact. First, keep it concise. Short, punchy scripts tend to perform best in the world of online video. Aim for clarity and conciseness to keep your audience engaged. Next, choose the right avatar. Select one that aligns with your brand's personality and really resonates with your target audience. Also, match your voice and tone. Experiment with different voice options to find the perfect fit for your script's tone and style. Don't forget to leverage backgrounds and music. Choose ones that complement your video's message and enhance its visual appeal. And definitely add subtitles. Subtitles not only improve accessibility, but also boost engagement, especially for viewers who might be watching with the sound off. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can elevate your Higgsfield AI videos and absolutely captivate your audience. Higgsfield AI is a versatile tool with a wide range of potential applications. Here are just a few examples of who can benefit from its powerful features. Content creators like YouTubers, podcasters, and social media influencers can use Higgsfield AI to create engaging explainer videos, product reviews, and more. Educators, including teachers and online course creators, can leverage Higgsfield AI to develop engaging video lessons, tutorials, and educational content. Marketers can utilize Higgsfield AI to produce compelling video ads, social media content, and product demos. And entrepreneurs and small business owners can create professional-looking videos for their websites, social media channels, and marketing campaigns. While Higgsfield AI offers a fantastic solution for many, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. If your video requires highly customized animations, complex special effects, or live-action footage, you might need to explore other video creation methods. Are you ready to unleash the power of Higgsfield AI and create your own viral-worthy videos? I'd love to hear your script ideas. Share your creative concepts in the comments below, and let's explore the possibilities together. What do you think of this groundbreaking AI technology? Have you tried Higgsfield AI or similar tools? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about the future of video creation. Let's embrace the future of content creation and unlock a world of creative possibilities with Higgsfield AI. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content. Want to launch your AI-powered one-person business in 7 days with a simple plug-and-play system? Check out the description box below. Thanks for watching.